We are now going to play a game called Sound Effects. In this game, one of our players will be taken to the stage. He cannot make any sounds whatsoever. He is going to be doing an activity. What might the activity be? Maybe he's making breakfast. Maybe he's going to the park. What is it? Burlesque dancing. Building flat pack furniture. Yes. I really like the flat pack furniture. Now, he can't make any sounds, but luckily Sam here is going to provide all of the sound effects one could possibly dream of. So, give him a big round of applause to begin the game of Sound Effects!
Wait a minute. I did it! I made the chair! I made the fucking chair! Oh yeah!